Yeah.
My name is Min Kim. I am a color specialist from the USA. You can consider me the sharpshooter in this competition. If you know me, you know this is all about precision, precision, precision. My hairstylist superpower is I know how to say no.
Hi, I'm Cesar De Leon Ramirez from Puerto Rico and raised in New York City. I'm considered a celebrity hairstylist. These days, I'm doing creative directing, content creation. The life of a celebrity hairstylist has brought me a lot more titles.
I'm Cynthia Harvey. I live in London and I'm a hairstylist. I was first introduced to hair in my mother's salon in my birth country of Jamaica. I'm just like so excited to get to the end. I want to see the final look. I want to feel moved.
Stunning. Hello, my name is Erica Lee Mumi, and I am from St. Louis, Missouri, representing the United States. Being here is just truly a platform to really prove to myself that I can do this and that I've made it. I never in a million years thought I would be at something like this in Paris. It would just really solidify everything.
My name is James Coleman. I'm from Brown Sugar, Ireland. Well, I love people. I'm a people person. My friends would describe me as being bubbly, a great listener, great at giving advice when asked. To get to this point, to represent my country, it would mean the world to me to win.
来自中国，我的名字叫陈玉兰。我的老爸就是一名发型师，从小耳濡目染。 就喜欢上了这个行业，经常会说我是一个神，比如说失恋了或者是干嘛的，给他做了形象改变，他会非常感激我，觉得我是叫给他换了个头，换了个造型，就让他心情都会变得更好，然后会觉得我是叫怎么说呢，就是焕发新生吧。
My name is Carly Roberts and I am from Melbourne, Australia. It's just crazy getting to be here representing Australia. I think it's one of those moments that's really made me have a bit more confidence in myself and realize like my skills and my capabilities. I think something that people would be surprised to find out about me is how introverted I actually am. No problem.
おはようございます。名前は細畑久俊です。東京から来ました。もともと親が美容師をやっていたこともあって、そもそもお客様の笑顔を見ることがすごい大好きだなというふうに感じていたから美容師になりました。日本の美容師というやっぱり技術とセンスというものを世界に挑戦したい、そういう気持ちがあってパリに来ました。ありがとうございます。
Je m'appelle Eve, je viens de Paris, je suis coiffeuse depuis maintenant 7 ans. Je coiffe essentiellement pour le milieu de la mode et du cinéma. Mes amis, ils me décrivent comme une personne très créative. J'ai pas forcément de limite. Participer au concours Style and Color Trophy, pour moi c'est super important parce que en plus je suis dans mon début de carrière. C'est vraiment le moment où je peux montrer le plus de choses. Eh bien.
Let's do it.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Oh. Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all.
Hello and welcome to Paris.
So it's competition day. You are at the grand finale of L'Oreal Professionnel's Style and Color Trophy, the world's longest running hair competition.
Thousands of stylists entered from all around the world, and after months of hard work, you are the finalists that made it to the top. Congratulations, guys.
Congrats!
Well, it's time to get to business. So this competition is comprised of 2 rounds. The first is color, and the second is styling.
Now we're putting the pressure on, and you have 4 hours and 30 minutes to complete your color.
As you all know, this year's theme is Elevate Classics.
And it's really about how do you take a classic look, but put a modern twist on it.
This is not the time to play it safe. It's time to show us your vision, your individual vision as a hairstylist, and we're so excited to see what you produce.
Style and Color Trophy 2025 begins now.
Let's do this.
Good luck!
Good luck!
3, 2, 1, go!
I just cannot believe that's just after happening. I'm like...
So we've spotted a bit of an issue.
I'm just a little concerned.
Ah, je suis désolée, j'arrive pas.